For people who have an IQ of less than 100, sound frequency therapies have also proven to increase IQ by up to 30 points.
This is insane.
Your brain, your normal brain frequency is around about 80 hertz. A genius brain is around about 92. And after 15 to 20 minutes of listening to a sound frequency therapy, it'll activate all the regions inside the brain. And IQ goes up by 8 to 10%. That's a huge jump.
That is a massive jump.
Huge jump.
This is insane.
Disease in the body kicks in at around about, cancer's around about 42 megahertz, and colds and flu, I think, is around about 52 megahertz. So when we listen to sound frequency therapy, it also retunes the body to have healthy organs. Phenomenal.